6, Board of Trustees, City University Construction Fund meeting. I'm going to ask everyone to silence their phones. Let's cue IT to begin the live stream, please.
All good to go.
All good to go? Okay. I call the meeting of the City University Construction Fund to order, noting the presence of a quorum. We will take the following items for approval. Action items. Item 1 is the approval of the minutes of the December 17th, 2025 meeting of the fund, number 2467. I move the approval of item 1. Do I have a second?
Second.
Second, thank you. Any discussion? Any questions? Hearing none, I call for a vote. All those in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Hearing none. Any abstentions? Hearing none. Motion carries unanimously. Item 2 is a resolution to authorize construction for HVAC upgrades for Clapper Hall at Queens College, number 2468. I now call on Executive Director Mohammed Atalia to provide further background on this item.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Clapper Hall's HVAC, mechanical, and roof systems have reached the end of their useful life. This project will replace the entire HVAC system, including air handling units, chilled water distribution, building exhaust systems, and controls, while implementing a new roofing system. This project will substantially reduce the building's planned and deferred maintenance backlog, lowering it to about $70 million. It also addressed more than 700 systems across multiple systems groups. While significant in scope, this investment delivers long-term value by strengthening the building's core infrastructure and operating efficiency. Construction is anticipated to commence in March 2026 and be substantially completed by May 2028. The program management agreement requires DASNY to comply with and report on CUNY, MWBE, and SDVBE goals. Thank you.
Thank you. I move the approval of item 2. Do I have a second?
Second.
Thank you. Any discussion? Okay, hearing none, I'm asking for a vote. All those in favor? Aye.
Aye. Aye.
Any opposed? Any abstentions? Hearing none, motion carries unanimously. Item 3 is a resolution to authorize boiler upgrade at the North Academic Center building at City College, number 2469. I now call on Executive Director Mohammed Atalia to provide further background on this item.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The NAC boiler upgrade project looks to address 5 boilers, inclusive of their controls and auxiliary infrastructure. The existing boilers experience frequent breakdowns and require ongoing intensive maintenance. If this condition is not corrected, it can lead to a higher risk of system failure, increased maintenance cost, and reduced energy efficiency. The replacement of the existing boilers will bring the system into a state of good repair, ensuring reliable heating and improved energy efficiency. While the project is centered on the replacement of the NAC boilers plant, its impact extends well beyond the boiler room. Upon completion, the work will have addressed approximately 50 independent systems across multiple system groups, including HVAC, electrical, plumbing, structural, and fire protection. The project will substantially reduce the planned and deferred maintenance backlog by approximately $80 million. Construction is anticipated to commence in February 2026 with substantial completion by April 2028. The program management agreement requires DASNY to comply with and report on applicable MWBE and SDVB goals. Thank you.
Thank you. I move the approval of item 3. Do I have a second? Thank you. Any discussion? Any questions? Hearing none, I'm going to ask for a vote. All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Any opposition? Any abstentions? Hearing none, motion carries unanimously. Item 4 is a resolution to authorize construction for the pool renovation at Kingsborough Community College, number 2470. I now call on Executive Director Mohammed Atalia to provide further background on this item.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The existing swimming pool and its associated filtration system at Kingsborough Community College have exceeded their useful life and require comprehensive renovation. The scope of work will include removing spalled concrete and replacing damaged sections, along with reinforcing bars to restore the structural integrity of the pool walls. It will also involve replacing waterproofing systems. Deteriorated drain lines caused by corrosion will be also replaced. This work is expected to increase the building's state of good repair, and by renewing both the pool infrastructure and supporting building systems, the project ensures reliable operation, enhances safety, and extends the long-term service life. Construction is anticipated to commence in February 2026 and be substantially completed by May 2027. The program management agreement requires DASNY to comply with and report on the applicable MWBE and SDVOB goals. Thank you.
Thank you. I move the approval of item 4. Do I have a second? Thank you. Any discussion? Okay, hearing none, I'm going to ask for a vote. All those in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Any abstentions? Hearing none, motion carries unanimously. I have the short report here. The next meeting of the fund is scheduled for Thursday, April 23rd at 2026 at 2 p.m. With no more items on the agenda, I move to adjourn this meeting. Do I have a second?
Second.
Thank you. All those in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Hearing none, meeting is adjourned. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.